Hi guys, today we are learning how to filter Instagram likes by author. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Once the app opens, make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to review your liked posts. Now open your profile by tapping your profile picture. Next, tap the three horizontal lines to open the Instagram menu, where you'll find your account activity settings. Scroll through the menu until you find your activity under the How You Use Instagram section. This section lets you manage different types of activity, including the posts you liked. Next, tap Interactions and then select Likes. Here you'll see all the posts you've previously liked on Instagram. On the Likes page, swipe left through the filter options at the top until you find Author. Tap it, then search for or select the author whose liked posts you want to view. Finally, tap Apply at the bottom of the screen to filter the results. If you've liked posts from that author, they'll appear in the filtered list. And that's how you can filter your Instagram likes by author in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.